You know what's funny? When I started learning English, these three small words, in, on, at, confuse me the most. The most. I could say the big words, but I always got lost with in the morning, on Monday, at night. So today I'll make it simple. No grammar, no stress, just real life example you can use every day. Let's go. Every step counts. So the first one is in. Inside, space, time, or emotion. Think of in as being inside something, a place, a time, or a feeling. Yeah, it's like being surrounded by something. Yeah. So I'm gonna give it to you a few example. I am in my room. I am in my room. And I walk next. I walk in New York. I walk in New York. Next, I'll go in June. I'll go in June. I am in love. I am in love. I am in meeting. I am in meeting. I am in meeting. I am in the kitchen cooking something. I am in the kitchen cooking breakfast. I am in the kitchen cooking breakfast. Alright? Okay. I'm gonna give it to you a mini story about when I first moved to the US. I was in the new world, new streets, new people, new dream. I didn't know anyone, but I was in the journey. And that's how you grow. That's how you grow, my friend. State, I am in the new chapter in my life. I am in the new chapter in my life. Alright, so the common example you can use with example in the morning, in the car, in 2025, in the hurry, in the city, in the rain, in the good mood, in my zone. Alright? What else? The next one is on surface. On surface or connection. Days, text, movement. Alright? Think of on as being connected or touching something. Alright? So I'm gonna give it to you a few examples about on. I am on Monday's schedule. I am on Monday's schedule. Alright? The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Alright? I am on the phone. I am on the phone. These sentences remember me before I learning this that I say I am in phone. I am in phone. Of course, don't say that. I am in the phone. Don't say that. I am on the phone. I am on the phone. Okay? Nice. So next, I show it on Instagram. I show it on Instagram. I show it on Instagram. Okay? I am on a train right now. I am on a train right now. Okay? Next. I am on my way to work. I am on my way to work. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna give it to you a mini story again about on. Yeah. When I take the train in the morning, I don't go on my phone right away. I go on my mission, my purpose to improve my English, to become better every day. Every ride is a small lesson. Say it, I'm not on my phone. I am on my purpose. I'm not on my phone. I am on my purpose. Nice. So the common example you can use with on, example on Monday, on vacation, on the bus, on the train, on my way, on the streets, on my list. Yeah, on my list, on purpose, on fire, Okay, nice. Okay, nice. What else? Yeah, the next one is at point or target, exact time, place, activity. Okay, nice. So at mean a specific point, exact time, place or target. Okay, I'm gonna give it to you a few examples about at. Example 1, at I am at home. All right, next, let's meet at 6 p.m. She's at work. Okay, next, I'm good at English. Okay, I am at the gym right now. By the way, after this recording, I'm going to the gym. I walked in yesterday at 9, but I'm not completely my section, and at the gym closed because I going later yesterday, and the gym closed early too. Usually they close at 11 p.m. but yesterday they closed at 10 p.m. I don't know if it is about the Halloween celebration. I don't know, but today I am free. I have time after recording video. Let's go to the gym, completely my section, and go back home. All right, come on the lesson. All right, so the next example is I am at lunch with my friend. Okay, now I'm gonna give it to you a mini story. Last night I was at the gym. I looked around and I realized everyone is training their body, but me, I'm training my consistency. All right. Yes, quick story. Okay, saying I am at the beginning of my English journey. Okay, nice. So the common example you can use with at home, at work, at school, at the gym, at station, at 7 o'clock, at 9, at breakfast, at Christmas, at the moment, at the same time. All right, nice. So I got many keys for you. Now you fill in the blanks, and you can answer it on the comment section. I'm just giving to you 5 sentences. Just give your answering in the comment section. The first one is I am ta. You can ta. I am ta New York right now. That's the first. Next one, the phone is ta the table. All right, I'll meet you ta 7 o'clock. Okay, she's ta gym right now. Okay, he's ta love. All right, comment your score below. Now you understand in, on, at, not in your head, but in your real life, but with your life. You can use them when you are on the train, on the bus, in the kitchen, on the phone, in a good mood. You can use that. English isn't about memorize. English, it's about feeling. How do you feel? Do you feel good? Do you feel bad? Feeling good. Make English fun. Learning English with fun. Okay? Every time you say in the morning, at the gym on Monday, you grow your English muscle. You grow your English muscle. All right, my friend. Just keep practicing. Keep believing. Every step counts. And always stay strong.